Yeah, welcome to the project demonstration of face recognition based new generation ATM system for transactions using GSM. So here, before connecting the kit, this is the Arduino Uno board kit connected to the laptop. We need to install Arduino Uno software studio in the laptop and then open the code. So in order to set the data, to make the database of the images, open take image underscore predict file, and in that one we need to comment the three lines. One is 7 and 8, that is S and F open S, and then one more line is here the F print S line we need to comment. Just Control R is for comment and Control T is on comments, and save this file and go to collect image.m. So here, right, directly after opening the file, copy the name of the function as shown here and place it, and then here name, in name place write the 1. So for the first user, write it as 1 and then enter. So now it will start capturing the images who is in front of this camera. So as we can see that, so just while capturing the images, we need to place the different angles of face and different expressions so that it's easy for get the accuracy, right? So it's keep on capturing that. So we can see the capture images in the side window, like 1_1, 1_2 till 20 images will be captured from this program. After 20 images captured, the dataset was done and then the window will be closed. So you can see in the side window, so R15 is captured, right? Once 20 is completed, yeah, the window got closed. And now go to the folder. So there we'll find the images and just copy all these images. So and place these images in dataset folder. Cut them. Now we have placed these images here. Cut. In the dataset folder, we need to create a folder with the name of same only 1. So I'm naming it as 1. Enter and paste the images here and done. So for demonstration purpose, I'm copying the another person's images from the another folder. So just for random checking purpose, so I'm copying them here. Done. Okay. So after the dataset was created, and then go to the MATLAB, and now you have this collect images. If you want to place 2, 3, 4 users, then just change the name and execute the command like the same. Just place the name of 2 here and it will be captured, and then same manner we need to place the folder and copy that images. And now after the dataset was created like this, and now uncomment the previous lines which we have commented. Just remove the percentile symbol over here, and now save this and go to the main. And here one more thing is, so the COM number. So actually when we connect this USB cable from the device manager, so we will get the COM number directly, or else you can see the pop-up here, the device COM number. And for example, go to get the COM number. Let us see like this. If you connect the always in one USB slot, it will COM number is always same, COM4 only. If you change the USB slots, then the COM number will be changes. And in the manage, and go to device manager, so there you will get the ports, so you can find the COM number of the Arduino Uno. So if you change the USB slot here, then so as I connected the USB slot here, if you change that USB slot, then it will give the another COM number. And after that, you should enter the COM number in take image underscore predict file. That's very important. And after that only can run the main code, right? So when we are running that, now we will show you the demonstration. It will if is there in no images, then it will not show anything for no one. So if I am there, then automatically it is a boxing and it will give the 1 number, and from the kit we will get the the light is on and we'll get the SMS alerts. Message in the no, don't sit. So when the light is continuously on, it indicating as, so the message was sent to the user 1. So I need to send the same password here. Once the password was sent, so after receiving, the DC motor will be rotates, nothing but the transaction is going on if the password matches. Otherwise it will ask for the again password and will get the reply of transaction completed 1800. Okay, so if you want to transact more money, so you can see, I'll show you from initially. This I'm turning that. Okay, and so after connecting that, there will be an indication of one light blinking. So before switching on this kit, we need to insert a valid SIM card into that shown slot. The SIM card must have the valid and it should have the SMS balance also in the SIM card. After that, switch on the kit by connecting the USB cable to this. So and just restart this. So here one light is there, the green light. So initially it will blink for 1 second of duration. When the GSM got the signal, it will blink for the 3 seconds of duration. And after that, just restart the Arduino Uno board and wait for the particular light will on and off 2 times. So now the GSM modem initializing and it's start communicating with the Uno board. Right, the blinks 2 times, nothing but GSM got initialized, and now it's continuously blinking, nothing but waiting for the input from the MATLAB. So once I show my face, when the face got recognized, the blinking will be stops, right, and it send the message. So we can see right, so we got a message, send the password. So send the password of 6542. I'm sending that. Till you send the password to the system, the light is on only, nothing but it's waiting for the password. Right, once the message received, it will be off. Done. So now the system will not work for first user again, so then we need to show the second user and same message is done. Okay, so like this, second user also same. When the second user coming, the light will on continuously and it will send the message to the respective phone number. Okay, so this is a face recognition based accessing system. Thank you for watching demo.